Oxazepam is a versatile medication that is commonly prescribed for several conditions. One of the primary uses of oxazepam is for anxiety disorders. It is effective in reducing feelings of nervousness, tension, and restlessness, providing much-needed relief to individuals struggling with anxiety. It is important to note that oxazepam is typically prescribed for short-term use, as prolonged use may lead to dependence. Another typical use of oxazepam is in the management of alcohol withdrawal symptoms. When individuals abruptly stop drinking alcohol after prolonged periods of heavy consumption, they may experience withdrawal symptoms such as tremors, agitation, and insomnia. Oxazepam can help alleviate these symptoms, providing a smoother transition towards sobriety. Additionally, oxazepam is also used to treat muscle spasms. Muscle spasms can be painful and disruptive, and oxazepam's muscle-relaxing properties can provide relief. It is often prescribed in combination with other medications or therapies for optimal results. Recommended dosage of oxazepam. The recommended dosage of oxazepam varies depending on the condition being treated. It is crucial to follow the instructions provided by your doctor or pharmacist to ensure safe and effective use of the medication. For anxiety disorders, the typical starting dose of oxazepam is 10-15 milligrams taken 3 times a day. This can be adjusted based on individual response and may be increased or decreased as needed. The maximum daily dose for anxiety is usually around 60 milligrams. In the case of alcohol withdrawal symptoms, the recommended dose of oxazepam is usually higher. A starting dose of 15-30 milligrams taken 3 times a day is common, and this may be adjusted based on individual needs. The maximum daily dose for alcohol withdrawal symptoms is typically around 120 milligrams. When used for muscle spasms, the recommended dose of oxazepam is usually lower. A starting dose of 5-10 milligrams taken 3 times a day is typical, and this may be adjusted as necessary. The maximum daily dose for muscle spasms is generally around 60 milligrams. It is important to note that these are general guidelines, and individual dosages may vary. Always consult with your healthcare provider for personalized dosage recommendations. Potential side effects of oxazepam. As with any medication, oxazepam can have potential side effects. It is important to be aware of these side effects and to consult with your healthcare provider if they become severe or persistent. Common side effects of oxazepam include drowsiness, dizziness, and blurred vision. These effects can impair coordination and negatively impact activities that require alertness, such as driving or operating machinery. It is important to exercise caution and avoid these activities until you know how oxazepam affects you. Less common side effects of oxazepam may include confusion, memory problems, and changes in appetite or weight. These side effects should be monitored and reported to your healthcare provider if they occur. In rare cases, oxazepam may cause more severe side effects, such as allergic reactions, mood changes, or difficulty breathing. If you experience any of these symptoms, seek immediate medical attention. It is important to note that oxazepam can be habit-forming if used for an extended period or in high doses. Abruptly stopping the medication after long-term use may lead to withdrawal symptoms. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions when discontinuing oxazepam to minimize the risk of withdrawal. User experiences with oxazepam. To gain a better understanding of oxazepam, it can be helpful to explore user experiences. By hearing from individuals who have taken oxazepam, you can gain insight into the benefits and potential side effects that they have experienced. Many users report that oxazepam has been effective in reducing their anxiety symptoms. They describe feeling calmer, less tense, and more able to cope with daily stressors. Some users have also found relief from muscle spasms, experiencing improved mobility and reduced pain. However, it is important to note that not all user experiences are positive. Some individuals may experience side effects such as drowsiness, dizziness, or memory problems. These side effects can vary in severity and may impact daily functioning for some individuals. It is essential to remember that everyone's experience with medication is unique, and individual responses can vary. What works well for one person may not work the same way for another. It is crucial to communicate openly with your healthcare provider about your experiences and any concerns you may have. Precautions and warnings when taking oxazepam. Before taking oxazepam, it is important to be aware of certain precautions and warnings. It is crucial to communicate openly with your healthcare provider about your medical history, current medications, and any underlying conditions you may have. Oxazepam should not be taken if you have a known allergy to benzodiazepines or if you have a history of drug or alcohol abuse. It is also important to inform your healthcare provider if you have liver or kidney disease, respiratory problems, or a history of mental health disorders. When taking oxazepam, it is important to avoid alcohol and other sedatives, as they can increase the risk of drowsiness and other side effects. It is also important to use caution when combining oxazepam with other medications, as drug interactions can occur. Always consult with your healthcare provider or pharmacist before starting any new medications. It is important to note that oxazepam is typically prescribed for short-term use. Prolonged use may lead to dependence, and sudden discontinuation of the medication can result in withdrawal symptoms. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions when it comes to the duration of treatment and the discontinuation process. Alternatives to oxazepam. While oxazepam can be effective for many individuals, it is not the only option available for anxiety, alcohol withdrawal, or muscle spasms. There are alternative medications and therapies that may be suitable for different individuals based on their specific needs and preferences. Other benzodiazepines, such as diazepam or lorazepam, may be prescribed instead of oxazepam for similar indications. These medications have similar mechanisms of action and effects but may differ in their potency or duration of action. Non-benzodiazepine medications, such as buspirone or selective serotonin reuptake inhibitors, SSRIs, may also be considered for the treatment of anxiety disorders. These medications work differently than benzodiazepines and are less likely to cause dependence or withdrawal symptoms. In some cases, therapy or counseling may be recommended as an alternative or adjunct to medication. Cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, and other forms of psychotherapy can help individuals develop coping strategies and address underlying issues contributing to anxiety or muscle spasms. It is important to consult with your healthcare provider to discuss the various treatment options available and determine the most suitable approach for your specific needs. Consultation with a healthcare professional. When considering the use of oxazepam or any other medication, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional. They can provide personalized advice, evaluate your medical history, and assess the potential risks and benefits of the medication. During your consultation, be prepared to discuss your symptoms, previous treatment experiences, and any concerns or questions you may have. Your healthcare provider may ask about your lifestyle, concurrent medications, and any underlying medical conditions to ensure oxazepam is suitable for you. It is important to follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding the dosage, duration of treatment, and any necessary precautions. They may also provide guidance on lifestyle modifications, such as stress management techniques or relaxation exercises, to complement the medication's effects. Regular follow-up appointments with your healthcare provider are important to monitor your progress, address any concerns, and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Conclusion and final thoughts. Oxazepam is a valuable medication that can provide relief for individuals struggling with anxiety, alcohol withdrawal symptoms, and muscle spasms. It is widely prescribed and has been found to be effective by many users. However, it is important to use oxazepam as directed and be aware of potential side effects. Drowsiness, dizziness, and impaired coordination are common side effects that can impact daily functioning. It is crucial to avoid activities that require alertness until you know how oxazepam affects you. Individual experiences with oxazepam can vary, and it is important to communicate openly with your healthcare provider about your experiences and any concerns you may have. They can provide personalized advice, monitor your progress, and make any necessary adjustments to your treatment plan. Remember that oxazepam is typically prescribed for short-term use and can be habit-forming if used for prolonged periods or in high doses. Always follow your healthcare provider's instructions regarding the duration of treatment and the discontinuation process to minimize the risk of dependence or withdrawal symptoms. If you are considering oxazepam or any other medication, it is important to consult with a healthcare professional. They can evaluate your specific needs, provide personalized advice, and help you determine the most suitable treatment approach.